Can you categorize into mild, spicy, and super hot, sound, catalog, and royal?
That's a funny question. That is a really funny question. Sound, spicy, catalog, mild, royal, mild.
Got it. We don't have super hot.
We do not have super hot. We are far from super hot for on-chain music. I'll tell you that much.
Are you up for a challenge?
Always up for a challenge.
What card would you like me to open?
Purple.
Favorite on-chain summer festival outfit?
Festival outfit.
Either take a picture or like create a meme and post that in Los Pomos.
All right, give me 60 seconds. We're going to change. I'll be right back.
Wow, okay.
All right, here we go.
What
This is my
exactly
on-chain summer
changed?
festival outfit.
Okay.
We got the
What?
thrifted pants out here.
Okay. I like the pants. They're like slightly transparent cargo style.
Shout out 2nd Street in LA. We got Izumiyaki here.
Mhm.
Pretty good. Got this at a thrift store in Osaka. And then the pants we got from 2nd Street in LA. But we have to keep it breezy yet comfortable. You have to be fashionable yet able to move. And I normally have a rave scarf that I wear too. Shout out Grizz, phenomenal artist. Highly recommend him. Really ties it all together. And if we want to too, I have this bag over here. Hold on. Last piece.
Is that a
Satchel.
bag? Yeah, satchel bag.
Don't sleep on the satchel.
Cool.
That's
okay.
my on-chain summer outfit for you.
Something crazy.
How was that for my flash answer? Festival outfit on the fly.
It was great. It was the first time that someone actually changed. So, what does on-chain summer mean for you?
On-chain summer is a time to celebrate builders and the amazing things that people are building to bring the world on-chain.
By the end of on-chain summer,
By the end of on-chain summer, I will have thrown 3 events in LA for the Midnight Diner and have brought many, many people from LA into the on-chain world.
And what's your highest priority right now?
My highest priority is building out the Coop Records site and finding a new way to let people discover and collect our music.
Why are you building on Base/Farcaster?
I believe that Base and Farcaster just have the best point of view of what it takes to really bring people into this world. You know, I think that the crypto ecosystem in general gets a pretty bad rep from the mainstream. And I think that Farcaster and Base represent a path forward that is very digestible and very accessible to people who have never touched crypto before.
What infrastructure are you using?
We use SoundXYZ, we use Boost Protocol, we use Layer 3, we use Coinvise, do a little hyper sub over there, Pods, Nanar. We use so many amazing tools, many of which I forgot to name.
What's your unpopular opinion?
My unpopular opinion is that most people in crypto don't know how to actually talk to real people and how to get them on chain. And they think they have an understanding of what people want, but they haven't spent enough time talking to people in the real world to understand what they actually want and why it's not working today.
What are your top 3 channels on Warpcast?
My top 3 channels on Warpcast are Founders, the Louder channel, and the Coop Records channel.
Who would you nominate to join us next?
Who would I nominate to join you next? That is a good question.
Someone funny who likes to talk. Not too long though.
If you want to nominate someone funny who likes to talk, you should do Gino.eth. Gino.eth is a classic yapper who is absolutely blowing up on all social media platforms, but has a very profound knowledge of crypto and collecting, and is hilarious in his own right, but I think would be a phenomenal guest.
What's your favorite on-chain summer drink?
My favorite on-chain summer drink is a nice smoothie, you know? Maybe some strawberries in there, some blueberries, some blackberries, a little acai, if you will, some protein powder, some almond butter, and then rice milk to tie it all together.
Do you have a favorite on-chain summer artist that you listen to a lot?
My favorite on-chain summer artist, huh? I'm going to go with this artist named A-Trip. We just put out a song last week called Feel Good, which I think very much represents the on-chain summer energy. Recent song called Rainbow, that was fantastic too. We teamed up with the Higher Collective to do a boost and higher tokens to collect the song. So my on-chain summer artist would be A-Trip. Go check him out.
The on-chain summer party you're looking forward to the most?
On-chain summer party I'm looking forward to the most is the Midnight Diner, which is happening tomorrow night in LA. First Wednesday of every month in LA. Can't miss it. Coop Records artist, great music, great vibes.